Welcome back to the vlog. We have come to check on our East Friesians. We have them at another farm. They're not currently on our farm. They are our first breeding group, and we're just gonna call them in right now. It's Ginny, Bet, and Enid, and they are with Magic. So let's see if I can call them in. Ginny, Bet, Enid, Magic.
Look at Enid. Come here, Enid.
Come on. Hi, girls. Hi. Hi.
Do you want me to put it in the trough or?
Hi, Ginny. Hi, Ginny. Haven't seen them for a few weeks. Oh, okay. Hi, Magic. No. So we're just giving them a little bit of grain. It's a little bit dark in here. And this way we're still handling them. They are a little skittish because we haven't handled them for a while, but yeah, they came up to us and let us hand feed them a little bit, and now they're gonna enjoy their grain. So one of the things that we need to do for overall flock and herd health is to do worming, and that can be, you know, it's a controversial topic for some people. We do what's necessary, and unfortunately we've had a bout with barber pole this year, so I'm in the little boy's pen and I am going to give them a follow-up worming today so that they are a-okay. They're continuing to grow well and they are healthy and happy, and we just want to keep them that way. One thing that we're doing is we're dry lotting everybody. This weekend we are breaking everybody up into breeding groups, and we wanted a place where we could have everybody in a main area. This way we can make sure, do a once over on everybody and make sure everybody's up for the job and healthy enough to do that. And then we will be preparing various pens inside the pasture to break them up into their individual groups, and they will, each group of ewes will get a ram for that particular group. And we're going to experiment this breeding cycle. We're going to try keeping them in for one cycle instead of two, and see what our results will be this time. So we'll see. Haven't had the chance to introduce you to these boys yet. Let me introduce you. This is Chance and this is Comet. They are both almost, Chance is a little bit older than Comet. He's about 2, almost 2.5 I think, and Comet might be close to 2. We just recently brought them home to the homestead. Chance is proven, Comet is not proven yet, so he's gonna get his turn very shortly. Yes, to do his thing. Hi, say hi. So it's starting to rain, just getting chores finished up for today. Heading inside. So before I do anything else today, I grabbed a chicken. This is a backpack chicken of ours out of the freezer, and I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot and make my broth, and then have my chicken all in one for chicken noodle soup. And then I will use these bones. I will store them in the freezer until I have enough bones collected, or I may just turn this right into bone broth. It depends. It's on the smaller side, so I may just hold these bones until I have a bigger bag to make a batch of broth with. Okay, it is definitely the next day. There's only so much I can do in one day, and I made that chicken in the Instant Pot yesterday, and this is one of the things I love about that. I put this in the fridge overnight because I couldn't get to it. I just put the lid on it, and I'm going to go through and put that in. I'm making my soup today. I have all the veggies going in there. So that's going to be today's meal, and I have some other things on tap. I need to start skirting some fleeces, and obviously chores. There's always something to do and not a lot of time to get it done. I'm sure you all know what I mean. Another project on it kind of has to do with the kitchen renovation. When we put the pantry in the kitchen, the one where Darren created it, he needed to create this wall right here, and it's just, as you can see, it's just the drywall right now. So I want to paint that. I want to paint the walls of this hallway, and then I want to paint these steps. They're not in terrible shape, but you can see like what, the fourth one down, the paint is coming off. And then I'd like to paint the walls down there. So that's also on the list of get it done when you can. I'm on my way to the barn. When I told you earlier that the Frisians, the East Frisians, were our first breeding group, that was kind of a fib because I forgot. We have some, they're not yearlings, they're actually 2 years old, and they have yet to have lambs. So we decided to experiment and put them with the cat ram and see if it would take. So I'm going to go in the barn. Their window of lambing has opened up, so I'm going to go check on them. These are our girls who we are currently waiting on to see if, if anything worked or if it didn't. So we'll find out soon. Of course, you guys all know Hope. Hope is 2 and has yet to be bred successfully. So she looks a little bit bigger to us than she has before. So we're gonna see. We have a machine called Prigtone that it's similar to an ultrasound, but it produces a sound and not a picture. So we're gonna try checking her with that and probably check all of these girls. So we'll see what happens after we we do that. Oh, and if you can't tell, Holly was a bottle baby. So yeah, working on skirting fleeces, and this is from our boy Magic. His color variegation is all over the place. There's gray, there's dark brown, there's black, there's cream, there's some silver. Down here you can see it's really dark. He is so incredibly soft. So that's a project, as I said earlier, that I've been wanting to get to. And this is just our first skirting. There will be several more before we continue with the process. So my soup is nice and hot, and it is ready to go. Oh, I can't wait. I am going to sit down and enjoy a nice hot steaming bowl of the soup. And I hope that you all have enjoyed this. It's been a little scattered. It's been throughout the week, and it's just little snippets of what we go through trying to balance life, work, and the farm. So until next time, I hope you've enjoyed this content, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.